Alright y'all, I'm going to show you how I get these stickers, the residue left from stickers on glass off. This happens to be a sliding glass door. First what I do is I just come along with a razor like this at an angle. And most of it will come up. Just go slow. You just kind of teeter it back and forth, rock it back and forth, the razor blade. Okay, now that's gone. You can buy these at Home Depot or Lowe's. They retract. Mine's kind of broken, but. All right, now, here's what I use to get the residue off. I will show you the residue. The adhesive. See that? Sticky stuff. I'll show you how I get that off. All right, y'all. Here's what I use to get the adhesive that's left behind, the residue, off of sliding glass doors, glass, plastic, metal. This is what I use. Denatured alcohol. You can buy it in the paint department at Home Depot or Lowe's or wherever you go, hardware store. I just take some and put it on a paper towel. And watch this. In fact, I'll try to get you up close so you can see what happens. I don't know what you guys can see here. If you can see the residue, which is all right here. Takes it right off. So you see the difference? There, that I just cleaned versus here. It just takes that stuff right off. In fact, let me open that. Maybe you can see it better that way now. Just removed it here and it's still there. All right, y'all, hopefully you can see this. Here we go. You see that coming off? Denatured alcohol has a high flash point, meaning it dries really quick. It's very safe for glass. That's how I clean my windows too. There's a little stuff down here. I'm not sure what that is, but now if y'all can see, it's completely cleaned off. Sticker gone with a razor. Be careful with the razors, y'all. At an angle, just take it off and then remove the leftover residue with denatured alcohol. Again, you can use on metal, plastic, stainless steel, countertops, all sorts of stuff. It's my go-to. All right. Hope it helps y'all. Happy DIYing.